What is that bright light? Where's that light coming from? There's a big orange orb in the sky. What is that? Oh, it's the sun. Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool, Helipad. Today we're going to be working on those things that, well, I just need to tidy up because, oops, I kind of did it wrong in an earlier video, so I need to fix it. And while I am fixing it, well, I'm also going to replace the line that goes to the starter because, well, it never did reach all the way. The rains came in, I wasn't able to get to it. So that is what I'm gonna do today, as well as cleaning up the junk that I put on the contactor and the starter, which was the wrong stuff. I put that as a note in the description of the video when I was doing it. Oh, what is it, 3-4 videos ago? So I'm gonna fix that today and I'm gonna show you how. Stay tuned. This is what you can expect in Western Washington. This is part of what I want to show you that I messed up on. As you can see right there, I'm already getting some corrosion, so I know that that was the wrong product to use. There, yeah, you can see already it's corroding. So I'm going to peel that away. I have to get that off anyway to change out that line, so let's get at it. Excuse me while I disconnect the batteries. It's such an arduous task. Ooh, let me think. Huh, that was easy. So just temporary, this is how I hooked the starter back up, just so that I could get things running again. But it needs to go here. As a good rule, even though you have things unplugged, it's a good rule to always check to make sure that voltage is at 0. In order to get the starter wire off of the starter solenoid, you'll need a 7/8 socket and a 3/4, hopefully thin, box end wrench. All right, you'll also need a pair of snippers to snip a couple of zip ties. Boy, there's a lot of road grime under there. Wanted to make sure that I could get it through, so I stuffed it through without the end on it. All right, I just have to hook this back up, put the smaller lead on top of this, tighten everything back down, and then I'm going to also use this. It's Permatex Ultra Blue. It is a gasket maker, and it is sensor safe. In other words, it's not going to corrode. This is what I should have put on there in the first place, but didn't. So learn from my mistake. If you're redoing the contactor or the power that goes to the starter solenoid, make sure you use sensor safe RTV, not a paid advertisement. This is the time when you need to suppress your OCD and just get it on there. Because if you don't, you're just going to sit there and fuss with it and fuss with it and fuss with it like I'm doing. And you're just going to get it all over the damn place. What a pain in the butt, but it's all cleaned up and ready to be gooped back up. Man, don't make the same mistake I did. That was a pain to clean that back up again. Now that turned out much better anyway, and if I was smart, I would just leave it there until it dried and then put it back onto this bracket. But I'm shooting a YouTube video, so I need to show that this thing starts up now, right? Anyone ever said this is easy? They're lying. Well, everything is buttoned back up, so let's put this cab down and give her a shot. Hey, good morning, guys. It is a frigid day here in the Pacific Northwest, but I still got a little bit of time left on this video, so I've got one more thing that I want to get accomplished. You guys stay tuned. Well, I wasn't going to let the sun go down on this project without revealing it, so I got myself a light, and I just finished, and it is done. So here's the big reveal, the final finale, piece de la resistance of this battery box. I know it's small, but there it is. Let's put a little cast of shadow on it so you can see it better. Yeah, so I can see what my 24 volt side is and my 12 volt side is. And it's right inside the battery box. This is weatherproof. I will leave a link in the description of how you can order one too. Well, that'll about wrap things up for me. Thanks so much for watching. I'm so glad that you decided to click on this video. Please, if you will, leave a like, put a comment down. That's so much appreciated. This is how you support the channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless. I don't know if you can hear any of the Canadian honkers.